Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this today's video, I am going to show you how to fix TikTok login error. First thing you need to do is that check your internet connection are connecting or not. If internet is not connecting, then connect your internet and turn on Wi-Fi or data. If that's work, that's good. If that doesn't, then switch the Wi-Fi to data to Wi-Fi. And still not working, turn on airplane mode for few seconds and turn it off. And go to the app and check. Then you need to check if their app update available for the app. If you are Android user, go to the Play Store. If you are iPhone user, go to the App Store and tap on the search and go to the search bar and search your app. And if you see their updates are available, then update it. And it is still not working, then go to your device setting and go to the app management or cache. After that, go to the app list and search for looking app. After all doing this, you see their storage and cache. Tap on the storage and cache and do clear cache. After all doing this, it might also storage problem for the app, and if you want to do, then do clear storage. And after all doing this, reopen your app and check it again, and it is still not working, then it might be also app problem or server problem, and you also ask help for the support team for the app and wait for a few seconds. After all doing this, it is still not working, then you also restart your device and check your app again. That's it. That's how you can fix your TikTok login error problem. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video helps you. Do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel.